Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your data is numeric, not text, and in one column, this avoids errors. Select the contiguous range of interest or hold Control to pick separate ranges. Once done, note whether you need a sample mean or full population. In Excel, you usually use average for the arithmetic mean. You also can convert Excel tables or named ranges to make formulas readable. Do that now so subsequent steps reference a stable range. Now type equals average and highlight the range you selected, then close the parenthesis and press Enter. You'll see the cell computes immediately. Once in place, make sure to use absolute references like $1.02, $101 if you plan to copy the formula across sheets, because relative references will shift. If some cells should be excluded, adjust the range in the formula bar. Also, consider using a table reference like equals average, table 1 values, for clarity and resilience. Complete the process by validating the mean. Use equals count to confirm sample size and equals sum divided by count as an independent check. If you need conditions, switch to averageifs to computes for subsets. Once done, format the result with the desired number format. If you get unexpected errors or blanks, make sure there are no text strings, logical true/false, or stray spaces. Use value, trim, or filter to clean data. If results still seem off, recalculate with manual sum/count to trace anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.